This video is about preparing foods safely. Topics covered are standardized recipes, critical control points, and corrective actions. Before preparing foods, refer to the standardized recipe for ingredients to be mixed. Check if all required equipment and food ingredients are available. Wash hands thoroughly and put on disposable gloves. Start with ingredients that have been chilled to the 41 degrees Fahrenheit or below. It is important to work quickly when handling refrigerated foods to keep them below the critical control point. Check expiration dates on prepackaged foods. Discard any expired foods. Inspect and dispose of any cans that are dented, heavily rusted, or if they have been frozen and improperly thawed, or stored at temperatures above 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Wipe prepackaged foods and lids of cans before opening. Wash produce in a designated sink using clean cold water. Pre-washed produce does not need to be washed again. Cold foods have 3 critical control points: preparation, storage, and cold holding. Food storage limits are storage at 41 degrees Fahrenheit for a total of 7 days. Any longer and prepared cold foods must be thrown away. If storage temperatures are above 41 degrees Fahrenheit for more than 4 hours, prepared cold foods must be thrown away. Cold holding limits on salad bars, for example, are: if the food is above 41 degrees Fahrenheit in the TDZ for 4 hours or more, it must be thrown out. When hot foods are cooked and served, the number of critical control points, or CCPS, can vary. Hot holding requires keeping the food temperature at 135 degrees Fahrenheit. There are 4 critical control points when hot foods are prepared one day, then cooled and reheated another day: cooking, hot holding, cooling, and reheating. Then hold the hot food at 135 degrees Fahrenheit. 2 ways to cause foodborne illness are cross-contamination and cross-contact. Cross-contamination is the accidental transfer of food pathogens, bacteria or viruses, from one food to another or from a surface to a food. Cross-contact is the accidental transfer of food allergens from one food to another or from a surface to a food. Transfer of pathogens or allergens may occur when 2 foods touch each other, called direct contact, and when equipment, hands, and utensils are not cleaned or gloves are not changed in between handling 2 different foods, called indirect contact. Review Module 2, Chapter 4, Preparing Foods Safely, in the Integrated Food Safety Training Manual before taking the quiz for this module. This video is an educational component of the Food Safety Training Manual. Funding has been provided by the USDA.